trying to get me a little wheelie practice in on this Raptor 700, man. I don't know how to wheelie for real. I can pop the clutch a little bit or whatever, but I'm trying to get it down so we be straight in the summer, pop out on y'all, man. Get back with me. First person POV right here. I got a concept, but I ain't really just got it yet. I don't know if I want to sit down or what. Try to get sit down with it. How to sit down, man. Jump to the seat when I'm standing up. That's really what I gotta learn. Car coming, man. Get out that way.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that, spitting slow, speaking fast, I can roast, I can gas, think I'm okay and that's